We're at the MudFlap tour. This is one of 14 different plants.
Ooh, let's go check them out.
We're at the MudFlap tour. This is one of 14 different plants they have here. This is plant number 8 that we toured.
For those of you who may not know what ryde is, ryde makes several products on your RV, from things like steps to handrails to suspension parts. I'm really excited for this one.
Something interesting that I thought I've seen MudFlap before, since they said they make parts for wheelchairs and hospital beds too.
Ooh, let's go check them out.
When they started, one of the first things they did is a lot of consumer surveys. And they found out what are the hot buttons, what are the things that RVers complain about, or what are the things that they'd like to have improved. And one of them was the running gear. And it's no big deal because you can't even see it, right? You can't still round, right? And it's no big deal, no big deal, no big deal until when?
It breaks.
And it's a big deal, right? Okay. So what Alliance did when they launched their product, they did 2 things that were cut above what most people launch with. They went to the ryde CRE 3000 suspension. It uses rubber to cushion and absorb road shock, and it has a travel slide. Anybody want to guess how many inches of travel it has? 3. CRE 3000, 3 inches of travel. Okay? So what that means, we've got 50% more travel. Next thing they did is, instead of going to 1/4-inch brackets, they went to 1/2-inch brackets. Mm-hmm. Instead of plastic bushings, they went to bronze bushings, and instead of a dry bolt, they went to a grease bolt. So from day one, Alliance gave you upgraded value to make your foundation stronger to deal with rough roads. So kudos to Alliance. I mean, roads are rough. And so we go for the first ride, and guess what little Daisy the dog was doing? Daisy the dog was so uptight that for 20 minutes, all Tara did was held the dog and said, "It's okay, Daisy, it's okay, Daisy, it's okay, Daisy." We come back, we do the work, it takes 3 days to do it, get ready to go to the other ride, go back in the unit, Chap puts his accelerometer out, I get out of sight, Tara goes over here with the dog, we sit down, take off, 20 minutes, guess what Daisy does?
Goes to sleep.
Daisy goes to sleep. So the best salesperson for the independent suspension system is not Mike, it's not Dan, it's not Jack, it's Daisy the dog, because the dog can tell a difference that the IS suspension system makes.